There we go. Pick up where we left off. I do not own the rights to this music. I just love it. And I love it so much, I want to share it with each and one of you. Come on. Here he comes, my neighbor, trying to talk to me. What? He said, what are you listening to? He tried to call me on the CB. I said, here he comes, what? Sunshine, brightening up my life. Tried to call me on the CB. My CB's not on. What's Marvin? Here he comes, what? He wanted to know what I'm listening to, so I told him you need to come over here. What's this? Look at it.
What are you listening to?
Oh my goodness!
Hey, you been here before? You never been here before?
No.
I wonder where the restrooms at.
The what?
Restrooms around here?
Oh, the porta potties were down
What
there.
they have right there? I want to raise my face out. That's what they have right there, huh?
You want a face wipe?
Nah, that's good. Oh, they're good.
You want a baby wipe?
Oh, you're recording them.
I do a live video.
you do?
My name's Jacinda.
Gilbert.
Gilbert?
Yeah.
Jacinda Lady Truckin.
Been there cooking?
That's Gilbert, guys.
Oh,
He said, what are you guys listening to? I said, okay, this is the jam. Listen.
yeah.
Here we go.
So where do you go from here?
Where am I going from here?
Yeah.
I'm staying in this area all week.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I'm to go to the California Trucking Show next weekend.
Oh, yeah,
so
I
I'm
heard
just
about
staying
it.
here. You should go. It's at the Ontario Convention Center.
Yeah, I heard about it. Yeah, Saturday coming up. Saturday, Sunday, yeah.
What is your story? What's your trucking story? I like to hear people's trucking
Nah,
stories.
I just, I just got my authority.
Oh, well, congratulations.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Watch out now. Should you be talking to me?
No problem. No problem at all. Been single for 3 years.
Oh my goodness, single and his own authority. Does that mean in trucking or just you got your own authority now?
in trucking,
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me clarify here. He said I got my own authority. Oh. Well, I've always had my own authority.
Oh, you
I
did?
never got married.
And you got married?
Never.
Oh, no? Congratulations.
Congratulations, he says.
Yeah.
I don't know, on Facebook, Instagram, my name is Jacinda Duran. I go by Jacinda Lady Truckin', and I share my whole trucking life and bubble on road. I got a gift for you. Hold on. I do. So you heard of Road Pro, right? The brands?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm a Road Pro Council member. And my truck was down for a few weeks, so I missed the Truck Driver Appreciation Week.
Oh.
But I have gifts to give out from Road Pro Council
okay.
members. From Road Pro brands. So Truckn Fam, if you see me out on road, I'd love to give you one of these. Okay? So that's our gift from Road Pro brands. Just, thank you to the truck drivers out here.
Really?
So it's a surprise, but they're all different, and obviously I don't look at all of them.
Okay. Oh.
And it's actually, that is a very bright flashlight for how little it is. Yes. Ooh, look at him. Watch out now. They're not glasses. Don't worry. They're clippers.
It's Libras, huh?
Oh. Shoot, I might.
Mustache, though?
I was thinking about for my eyebrows, too. My eyebrows grow as fast as your mustache, probably. So that's what it's about.
Thank you.
Camaraderie, unity.
Let me get my phone so I can memorize. What is it?
I'll write it down. Jacinda Lady Truckin'.
All right, we'll keep in touch with her.
We gotta fill them in, guys, right? Truckn Fam?
Keep in touch with her.
Jacinda Lady Truckin', coming at ya. Coming at
So you don't go, you just stay in California?
No, I do the whole country.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I work with Blackburn Energy. It's a hybrid charging system on my truck that provides all electric EPU system.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And so I don't have to idle anymore.
Yeah.
My battery's charged, and I can run 8 to 10 hours a night on a full charge.
So what is a Blackbird Energy?
Blackburn Energy. So yeah, like all of our older trucks that have to idle, I don't have to idle
Well, I
anymore.
got an EPU, but it's about this
Yeah, it
big.
sounds like a go-kart on your truck.
Yeah,
I know.
exactly, yeah.
So these here, it charges while I'm driving. I'm done from Yelp Energy Access from the drive shaft. Taps your carrier around on. Stay. Get in your chair. That's my little doggy. Let me get my shoes on.
You got a dog in there? What is it?
She's a lab retriever.
Oh, big?
She's right there.
Oh, okay.
She's perfect.
I got even Chihuahua under the ring with it.
Hi, Chihuahua. Hi, Chihuahua. You said I got a
I
Chihuahua.
was gonna, last time I brought it with me, I guess got sick. He didn't get you, I guess.
She's been in here since I got her. I adopted her in Nashville.
Wait, how long was it when you adopted her?
2 years.
Oh, 2 years? You got it from dog pound or?
What?
You got it from a dog pound or? Oh,
Yeah, I did it with a program called Mutts for Trucks. The truck driving. For driver. It's for truck drivers.
yeah. Look into this, yeah.
I'm going to show them. Stay, Mom. So, we got the external batteries, right? And then my electric APU is completely monitored. Let's go around the other side real quick. So I'm going to show them Blackburn, and then we also have these to scan so people can learn about us. Sustainability in trucking. No idle, less fuel, healthier sleeping. We're not absorbing and inhaling all that carbon monoxide. These are my external batteries.
So this is batteries for the system right here?
Correct. So it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge all of them while you're driving. And you can charge, run 8 to 10 hours at night. Microwave, my refrigerator, my outlets, everything. Completely electric.
So you got 4 right here, 84 for your truck also, or just this?
Yeah, they're completely separate. So I can jump my truck with these, separate from the auxiliary. Yeah, that's the new technology there. And if you look right down here, right in the center, you'll see the pulley. Okay, and there's a belt and a pulley to the alternator. Do you see it?
Okay, yeah.
And Andrew, the CEO and founder of Blackburn, made that. Custom made that. So there's no pull on your drive shaft. This is how you get it out, Truckn Fam. It is. It's a cap over your carrier bearing.
Yeah.
Correct. Your drive shaft is spinning, and it's on the outside of it. So it's not affecting your drive shaft. It's on the outside. And that's where the belt connects to the alternator, makes electricity, and charges the batteries. Yeah, you have to check it out. And that's what I'm doing. My Truckn Fam's always like, what are you doing now? Not only am I working independent, I work with Blackburn, I work under Blackburn, but I market hybrid railgen. That's what it's about.
I'm gonna go with it right now.
Check it out. We'll come back. Go potty and come back. I'll be here. I think, do we check out first? Or is this your first time here too?
Yeah, my first time here first, yeah.
Tell me your whole name again.
Gilbert.
Gilbert what?
Chacon.
Chacon. Mr. Chacon, thank you for your time.
What is your last name?
Jacinda Duran.
Jacinda Duran.
Jacinda Duran. Te gusta. Tenga un buenos días. And there we go. That's how you build a Truckn Fam. Mandy Joe! Building camaraderie, unity, and getting railgen out there, okay? Blackburn is the next move. I'm blowing up here. I guess it's time to go. The next move for trucking. Okay, you want to sustain your checks? Oh! I love you. The hoops! That was pretty cool. He pulled up next to me and he's like, wants to talk on the radio. I said, walk your butt over here. And he did. Building camaraderie. Sharing Blackburn energy and the railgen product that I believe in 1,000%. So if you're sharing this moment, go check out Blackburn Energy today while you're on your phone, while you're on your computer. And let's railgen together. Hybrid energy, sustainability of our trucks, minimizing and completely reducing idling, okay? I charge in 3 to 4 hours and I have a full charge at night. So I showed you a little bit of the outside. I showed you the outside, and now I'm gonna show you the inside unit here, okay? So I'm gonna turn it off right now because I started, but this is the complete control system here. Operates the whole thing. I had it on heat, turned it on, fully charged from driving last night and this morning, and you can operate all of it heat. Your fan level, I keep it low and consistent at night. It maintains my battery that way. 120 hours. Fahrenheit or Celsius, you can pick. Heat or cool. and you are charged. It's Blackburn Energy. They're blowing up my phone. So that's an all-in-one shop. Truckn Fam, Lady Truckin', Railgen, Road Pro, Trucker Tools Tuesday. Check it out. Check it out. I only work with people and products that I would pride myself in like I do. So thank you for your love, support. You want to check out Road Pro Brands. I'm a proud council member. Eyes and ears on the road. And Trucker Tools, simplifying our lives on the road. Blackburn Energy. It's hybrid, baby. It's hybrid. It's Railgen. Happy Tuesday, Truckn Fam, wherever you are. Nothing but love. They are blowing me up and telling me to get out of the way. My time has expired here. So I love you guys. Have a great day. And leave me a message below. Say good morning. Let me know where you're at. If you're watching live or you are catching me on the flip side later on when you're scanning through your phone. It's Jacinda Lady Truckin' coming at ya.